Hey, what's up, everyone? It's Saturday. It's around 1:35 p.m. and the weather, it's cloudy, expecting some rain. Currently, it's about 20 degrees inside the car. Yeah, spring has come, and I thought today I'm just going to spend maybe half the day, kind of like a half-day car camp type thing. So, I've got my lunch, I've got my iPad, I'm going to do a little work. I've also got my typewriter. That's some other stuff I'll explain in detail a little bit later. So yeah, this is just the start of my day. Okay, more later. So what's today's lunch? The usual, basically. I've got my ham sandwich, salad. I've got some iced coffee and some sparkling water. And for some sweets, just to kind of nibble on while I do some work, I've got these sweets here from Turkey, which was given to me by Ezgi, and these are really, really delicious. So yeah, I'll show this to you guys later. Well, this is a quick peek. Wow. About 2 years ago, when the pandemic was kind of raging, I lost my kind of motivation to go out and shoot, and of course we had to stay indoors. So one thing that I've kind of integrated into my creative life is manual typewriters. And I think my first typewriter was an Olivetti Valentine, and I liked the design, and from there I bought another one and another one and another typewriter. I think now I've got about 25 typewriters in my collection, and today I want to show you one of them right here. I got this one from Germany. I don't know the age, but this is probably from the maybe late 50s or early 60s. And what's cool about this is that it has a little key. It's kind of neat. So you know, unlock this. Open this up, and there you have it. It's a beautiful Optima Plana. It's a portable typewriter, and I just absolutely love the design, especially just the black along with the hints of red here. So this is my machine for today. Has a German keyboard, so it's a Quartz Z as opposed to a QWERTY. So this just takes a little bit of getting used to, but yeah, I think I can handle this. Alright, just a quick break. I've been typing about half a page now. And I got an urge for some sweets. So, yeah, this is IPEC, and Ezgi in Turkey gave this to me when I visited Istanbul. And I've eaten one already, and it is really, really good. I tried the one with the chocolate, covering, and I think I'm gonna try the one with the green. Maybe it's pistachio. I'm not sure. So yeah, need to kind of clean up because I'm touching the typewriter. So what do we have here? Oops. I think it's like cotton candy inside. But we'll see. Oh my god. This is a bit hard. I mean, hard to pick up. And it's like falling apart. Oh man. What? It's just kind of like disintegrated in my hand. Anyway. That is really nice. I'm not sure how to eat this because, yeah, it just like fell apart. Anyway, it's a kind of like, it has a cotton candy kind of texture. Nice. I think I'm just going to eat that one piece, get it all out. It's really sweet too. I don't know if you could see it, but there's like one with green, I guess it's a pistachio, chocolate covered, and like a plain one, but very nice. Oh, pictures right here. Sorry, just a quick rant. So I'm in a park. I'm parked here. You know, just trying to hang out with my typewriter. And there are other cars parked as well. Some people, they've gone to the park to, you know, walk around, and there are other people like me who are just sitting in the car, you know, relaxing. Well, the car right next to me, his engine is on, and I don't really see why he has to have the engine on. He's just checking his smartphone maybe, or reading a book. I have no idea, but the car is on, the engine's on, and he's just wasting. It's not even that cold. It's not that cold to have the heater on. I don't get it. So, and I'm getting kind of emotional about this, but I've seen this so many times where people just park and, you know, at the convenience store, they're eating their lunch, the car is on. All throughout the season, whether it's summer, winter, spring, and anyway, just a quick kind of message to people. If you do that, like that guy right there, if you do that, just could you please stop, or like put on some extra layers, because it's totally unnecessary. I need a Xanax.